हर एक कोच जब स्टार्ट करता है उसका सबसे पहला गोल यही होता है दैट ही वांट्स टू गेट हिज फर्स्ट क्लाइंट। हम हमेशा नंबर्स के बारे में ध्यान देते हैं कि वी वांट टू हिट 2 लाख रुपीज, 5 लाख रुपीज, 10 लाख रुपीज, वी वांट टू अर्न दिस मच दैट मच। बट आई हैव बिन देयर एंड मैंने देखा है कि जितने भी कोचेस जस्ट स्टार्ट करते हैं उनका सबसे पहला गोल होता है कि उनको वो एक पहला क्लाइंट मिले फॉर देयर बिजनेस। सो इन दिस वीडियो, इन टुडेस वीडियो वी आर गोइंग टू नो कि आपको फर्स्ट क्लाइंट कैसे मिल सकता है। काफ़ी ज़्यादा तरीके हैं। लेट्स स्टार्ट with a very basic and what I feel is this first way जो सबसे basic और सबसे easy for getting client is creating a warm audience list. Now this is something I teach exactly in my program, but मैं आपको आज यहाँ पे right away I'm going to share. Create a list of all the warm audience that you have, आपके जो friends है, relatives है, college friends, school friends, society groups, मे बी आप कहीं पे जिम जाते हो तो that group. Try to create 70 to 100 list of people, like 70 to 100 people की list बनाओ, right? And to all of them send this specific message that hey, personalized सबको भेजना है, hey name. So let's suppose I'm sending this message to Sherville. So hey Sherville, I am writing this message to inform you that I have just started, or I am just going to start my new business, which is, let's suppose, fitness coaching, and I'm going to help. Let's suppose your target market is married women, or like mothers to be specific. So I'm going to help women or mothers to reduce postpartum 5 kg weight, something like that. Like you decide, like आपका जो business है आप उस हिसाब से you will write it down, right? So I'm going to help this specific target audience with this specific pain point and let them achieve this specific outcome. So I'm going to do a free one on one call with them so that they understand where they are in their journey and how I can help them. Now, this message will help you get to spread an awareness in your warm network that you are doing this coaching business. Let's suppose fitness, I'm assuming that you are a fitness coach. So let's suppose it will help you to spread this awareness that you are a fitness coach and you are helping XYZ category in XYZ pain point. Now these people, if they are struggling themselves, they are struggling, then they will reach out to you and say that hey, I'm having this problem in fact. Or else, let's suppose, if they know someone, they can refer you to them. So this can happen, right? So this is like the quickest way to get people on call, and then you can just talk to them, identify their pain points, and go ahead and sell them the offer that you have created. This is the first and foremost way to get client. Like इससे easy तरीका और कोई नहीं हो सकता. But obviously, this is something which is not predictable, which is not scalable. But when we say that what is the trust level will be very high because this is your warm network and they trust you. So they will definitely go for your program. They will ask you for discount. They will maybe ask you if you can work with them for free. But like, just go ahead. I'll say like it's your first client. Just work for free if they want to, right? So this is how you get started, at least. Now, when it comes to start getting at least one client every single month, let's talk about that. So, now what you have to do is this one client you are working with, you have to start posting about their daily routine or their daily checklist, what you are helping them, आप कैसे उनकी हेल्प कर रहे हो, and how you are solving their problem, what tips you are giving to them, how do you exactly solve, or the value, and all those things you are going to start posting on Instagram and Facebook. At the same time, whoever is your competitor, you are going to do a competitor research analysis और आप उनके पोस्ट पे एवरीडे कमेंट करोगे. इससे क्या होगा कि जितने भी लोग उनके पोस्ट पे जाते हैं वो आपका कमेंट देखेंगे और आपके कमेंट से आपके प्रोफाइल में आएंगे, एंड इट विल क्रिएट अ फनल फॉर यू टू गेट मोर फॉलोअर्स. सो दिस इज हाउ यू गेट स्टार्टेड, एंड ऐसे धीरे धीरे करके लीड्स आएंगे आपको. एंड आप कंटेंट पोस्ट करते रहोगे, स्टोरीज में क्लाइंट के रिजल्ट्स डालते रहोगे, एंड होपफुली यू विल गेट स्टार्ट गेटिंग गुड attention and results from there as well, and you will start getting some leads at least. So फिर आप leads को appointment में convert करोगे, and then you will close them and whatever the entire flow is. Now, how do you go ahead? How do you build a proper business? So still now we are just talking कि ऐसे करो वैसे करो, but it's not predictable. For someone who is just starting out, instead of chasing predictability, I would say chase consistency, because I have seen a lot of people who just run after one or the other program thinking ki this program will help them get 5-10 clients every single month, which is not possible for someone who is just starting out. If you are starting out, you need to build your offer first, you need to validate the offer first, you need to see how it works, you need to see if you yourself are consistent with it or not, and then we can talk about strategies. So later ahead, what you can do is you can just keep posting content and see if you are able to get good leads. Try to create different trends. Try to create videos on different topics and see. And ये वीडियोस को और जो पोस्ट है इसको आप कंटिन्यूसली व्हाट्सएप पे शेयर करते रहो, ताकि आपके फ्रेंड्स रिलेटिव्स भी उसको लाइक करें, शेयर करें. And this is how you get started at least, right? And this is how you will get your first client, first initial few clients. Then what you do is then look for a good mentor and then get into his program and learn how the stuff works, and reinvent everything, and I mean, not reinvent, but refine everything, and then you get started with a proper business, so that जब आप start करते हो तब आपके पास एक experience आता है. But it is very much important that you get started at least, like do things on your own way, because to be very honest, though I am a business and marketing coach, I am a mentor for a lot of people. I believe that unless and until you don't have self discipline, you don't have a clear why, and you don't have that hunger inside you, no program on this earth is gonna help you. So, like just jump in the swimming pool and try to swim first and then hire a swimming coach. That's what I would say for today. Thank you so much. Let me know in the comment section which is the next topic that you will want me to cover. And I hope you will like this video and share with someone who is just starting out as a coach.